What's up, everybody? This is Vince for VCG Construction, and today we're doing an unboxing of the RIDGID Brushless 18-volt compact hammer drill driver 3-speed impact driver combo kit. I'm gonna tell you, I'm excited to get this open. I really want to take a look at the impact driver. I've heard a lot about it. We have a lot of big fans of the RIDGID tool company here on the channel. I'm a big fan of RIDGID too. You know, if you wanted to see what I thought was the best RIDGID tool for your money, well, like a video over here. But enough of that. Let's get this thing unboxed. So I'm back. I'm not gonna rip this thing open with my bare hands. Generally, I'll just use my knife. But before we do that, let's take a look at some of all this writing on here. It says RIDGID Lifetime Service Agreement. Registration required. Don't forget to register your tools. Because quite frankly, you buy kits like this, the tool, the batteries, charger, everything is warranted for life. But you gotta make sure you've registered. I've heard some horror stories. Free batteries, free parts, free service for life. For life. I feel like it's like the old NWO, in wrestling, remember? For life.
From now on, I'm going to turn it like this, because it's NWO for life.
Remember that?
New World Order.
Remember that? Hollywood Hulk Hogan and all, Scott Steiner, the Steiner recliner and all that, when they would come out for life. All right, back to the show. So it says, as easy as 1, create an account. 2, register your tools. 3, submit your Home Depot receipt online. Follow those 3 steps, you should have no problems, according to this box. It's 100% compatible with Gen 2, Gen 3, Gen 4, Gen 5. Look at that. Pretty cool. All RIDGID 18-volt tools work with RIDGID 18-volt batteries. Pretty amazing. Okay, take a look. This is the brushless motor technology in here. This is R92059er. Nah, it's like it just says 205. So what do we get in here? We get an impact driver, industry-leading 2250 inch-pounds of torque, and a hammer drill, micro clutch with over 100 settings. That's a lot of settings. You're getting 2 lithium-ion 4.0 batteries, a charger, and a bag. Looks like a little lunch bag. Look at it. We'll just look at it. On the back, best in class torque. It says 750 inch-pounds. It's in a compact hammer drill. Do they have a full-size hammer drill? I don't get it. Compact size and lightweight design. Fully powered hammer drill in a compact size. Mode selector. Quickly transition between driving, drilling, or hammer modes without changing the micro clutch settings. Shared features, brushless motor technology. Delivers up to 50% more runtime and longer motor life. Reversible belt hook. Pretty cool. Grip light. Engages light independently of trigger to illuminate workspace. Illuminated. And then we have the hex grip micro texture. It's Gen 5. Then we have the brushless 18-volt 3-speed impact driver, best-in-class torque, and then 3-speed settings. Look at all that. It's a lot in this little box, I'm going to tell you. Then it talks about the runtime and the hyper lithium-ion technologies. Standard lithium-ion, 1.5, 2, 3, and 4. Look at it. It's almost off the chart. They're going to have to make a bigger box. And then it has life hyper lithium-ion chemistry, new and improved battery chemistry, and provides over 50% longer life. Electronics, triple protection electronics design protects battery from overheating, overloading, and over discharging. So quite frankly, I might be disappointed because I don't know. In the tool war that these two, impact and the hammer drill are going to compete in, we might not get any smoke from this tool because of that electronics. Durability, extreme weather performance, operates down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. For everybody outside of the US and England, that's 20 degrees minus Celsius. Fuel gauge, intuitive on battery gauge, easily monitor your battery's charge level for more efficient time management. Beautiful. Let's get this thing open. Do not return to the store. If missing parts, accessories, or have questions, concerns, call for immediate service. 866-539-1710. Look at that. Look at this. Even nicer than that. Power 3. Very similar to the Ryobi that we unboxed previously. It's their hammer drill, 18 volt. We'll link the video here. They kind of had their hammer drill in a bag, similar to this, with all of its components inside. Go check that out. These are nice beefy zippers on here. They remind me of YKKs, but they're not. You have your instructions on top. Pretty funny. You have a expand your RIDGID 18 volt lineup. Battery and chargers are included on these tools here. All kinds of stuff there. Really nice. But you came here to see the hammer drill. Let's get it unboxed. On top we have a handle. It's plastic. Some assembly is required. Over here we have a charger. It looks like it would probably have some pretty cool bells and whistles. Some status indications. Yo, some assembly is required. Look at it. We'll take care of that in a second. Some cardboard. There's your hammer drill. There's your impact driver. There's your batteries. There's your cardboard back in the box. Boom. Here's the batteries. Well, and that's odd. That's odd. Kind of look at the light, the indicator lights there. What do they remind you of? Hashtag just saying. What do those indicator lights look? What do they remind you of? I don't know. Maybe those indicator lights there? I don't know. Hashtag just saying. Let's take a look at the impact driver. I like the 3 LEDs. I do like the 3 LEDs. It's got 3 speeds here at the top. This is Gen 5. This is Gen 5 Brushless. It feels nice. I like that the kit comes with 2 4-amp-hour batteries. Two speeds. The gear selector has a nice feel to it. I will say this. I mean, the clutch settings, it's just bizarre. It's just bizarre. It's infinitely adjustable, the clutch there. And the selector for hammer, drill, and driver, it's ambidextrous. Look at it. Whoa, look, I'm operating on that side. Look, and it's working on that side. It's amazing stuff. Whoa, it's a Jacob's chuck. So it is a metal handle. Attaches to the metal gear case. The problem is that the metal attachment onto the drill is a metal rod. Almost looks like aluminum to me. And then it just is tightened down, and it's held in place with a plastic handle. I don't know. I will say this. I like the up high handle, and I like this handle. It's definitely reversible. It will happen quicker, much quicker than its little brother, the Ryobi hammer drill. You know, if you want us to, maybe see a side-by-side of, for instance, this hammer drill versus the Ryobi hammer drill, the pros and cons, the weights and measures, let us know down in the comment section below. I can make that happen. I got connections. There's our belt clip. Yo, look at that. See that? You know how we get that to do that? You don't know? Well, go check this video here. So then you can learn. The impact driver, it feels like a handful with its battery. You're looking at 4 pounds, 2.3 ounces. Without its battery, it's clocking in at 2 pounds, 8.7 ounces. The hammer drill, compact, but the power of a full size. Weighs 5 pounds, 4.7 ounces. Without its battery. £3 pounds, 11.1 ounces. Oh, them batteries are clocking in at 1 pound, 9.5 ounces. So that's pretty nice, right? You got a double-sided bit, which I would never use without a drive. Like, this needs a drive. Like, nothing irks me more than people that just put their drill bit directly. And then also, look, they included a bit for the impact driver that is, look at it. It's made for an impact driver. It's just not like just any old bit. It's got, look at that. Oh my God, that's crazy. Look at that. It's got one-handed, like you just pop it in, and then when you want to remove it, look, fires across the room and you'll lose it, like on a shag rug or something. It's so much fun. Look. Lost forever. Okay, let's take some more measurements. We've heard you. We know you would like us to do a closer look at our calipers. Quite frankly, I was real hesitant because I don't know too much about calipers. You know what I mean? Like what makes it good, what makes it bad. You know what I mean? So you see at its, let's see, I believe it's its widest point. Yes, it is. Right here at its widest point at the front, you got 2.527 inches. Down at the battery, this is a wide tool, I gotta tell you. What we got there, feller?
3.458 inches.
You know, and if we go to now where are you at?
3.902 inches.
That's including the belt clip. Oh yeah, that's it.
5.782.
Wow. 9.936 inches. Okay, if we set the hammer drill down, let's see. Whoa, look at that. It's pretty funny. The hammer drill is actually shorter than that impact driver. Pretty crazy. We're 9.81 inches. I don't know if that's identical to the impact driver. Where are we at? We're at 2.709 inches. Look at that. That's pretty cool. 7.5775. I will say this. I didn't notice this until now. We have a separate switch down here for the LED light. If you just wanted to use it as a flashlight, you could pull this toggle, this momentary switch, that will illuminate that light. Pretty cool. I'm excited to see how these do in the tool war. And if you're excited to see how these do in the tool war as well, then go to this link here. Because I know we just unboxed them and you're like, wait a minute, how did they come out of the box and what do you mean in a tool war? Yeah, go check that link over there. I'm not even going to explain. With that, I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. I need to get this charger plugged in and a battery charged because these things are going up against the Ryobi, their little brother today. See you on the next one, everybody. Is it over? I know what you're thinking. The video can't be over yet. I mean, there's gotta be more, right, Vince? Well, there is more. We're gonna show you how you can win $500 worth of tools if you enter our contest by clicking the video over here. When you're done doing that, you can click the video down here for some more entertainment, or click the video up here. If you love our content, love our channel, and love our style, make sure you get subscribed over there. Everybody, have a great day.